everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to make a beautiful autumn necklace using some ceramic beads and a pendant? I am using beads from the Softlex Company little goodie bag. This was part of the free gift for the Great Bead Extravaganza Fall Fest. And these beautiful ceramic beads are available on the website, but they were part of the Dia de los Muertos little goodie bag that they put together. And I'm using just a few beads that came with the pendant. And these beautiful gold spacers were from one of the Jesse James exclusive bead mixes. I am using garnet color. I just feel it would be so pretty as a beautiful autumn. This reminds me of a dahlia or maybe a chrysanthemum. So I just felt those beautiful autumn colors would really be highlighted with the garnet color. And for these ceramic beads, I will leave a link down below in the description. I think they come in about 10 different colors. They're super lightweight, but just the size of them really makes a statement to your piece of jewelry. Before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. Let's start creating. So for this necklace, I'm not going to be using a clasp, so we're going to need about 24 inches of the soft flex wire. So to start, we're just going to add on one of our little beads, the little yellow and red beads. And we're going to add a ceramic bead, one of our gold spacers, and a ceramic bead. And we're going to repeat this 5 times. Such a beautiful necklace. You can layer it with a sweater or other necklaces. Project will look like so far. We have one of our little smaller beads, 5 ceramic beads, and between each of the ceramic beads, we have one of our little gold spacers. We're going to add on our 5th one and one of our little beads. And then with the ceramic bead, it just really highlights it with the golds. We're going to add on our beautiful ceramic bead. We wanted to add on that smaller bead just so that it would lay properly for the necklace. And then we're going to repeat the pattern on the same side. So we're just going to add on another one of our small beads and one of our little spacers and our ceramic. And just repeat our pattern. There's a few ceramic pendants online at softflexcompany.com. So you could do the same technique with this, or you could even do like a wire wrapped cabochon or bezel set gemstone with some Softflex craft wire, and then do the same technique with this necklace. So we have our beautiful necklace, and then all the weight is on the front, and we're going to let our beautiful Softflex wire show. So we're just going to trim the length that we need for our Softflex wire. Want to make sure that it's in the middle of our necklace. Need 4 2x2s. So we're going to add one of our 2x2s on each side. And another reason why we needed the smaller bead, if we didn't have that, our 2x2 would go through our ceramic bead. Now this step is optional. I just want my beads to be stationary. So I take our pliers and just give it a squeeze. And we're just going to leave that as is, and we're going to do it to the other side as well. So once we have our 2x2 with the first little squish, we're just going to go back with our plier and round it. And this is just going to give it a more professional finish and make it look like a little bead. By 2, we're just going to rotate our plier. And we will have our necklace stationary. We want to make sure that our ends are even. So they're a little lopsided. So I'm just going to trim them. And we're going to be using 2 2x2s. You could use one, but just because the ceramic beads do have a little bit of a weight to them, I just want to make sure that my necklace is secure. So we're going to slide on 2 of our 2x2s at the very end of our soft flex wire. With the other side of wire, we're just going to crisscross back through. This is going to be our little connection point where our clasp would be. So we're going to take our pliers. We're going to do the same thing. We're just going to give it that first little squish to flatten, and then we're going to round. And by rounding them on the back of the necklace, it just makes it a little bit more comfortable to wear. So we have just a little bit of soft flex wire sticking out. So we're just going to go ahead and trim that, making sure not to trim the soft flex wire from our necklace. Beautiful necklace using the soft flex wire in garnet with these beautiful autumn colors, perfect for the season. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below for the products used in this video, as well as all other necklace inspiration. Have an awesome day.